Okay, awesome ESL learners. Get ready to level up your English with a super common and super useful phrase. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a phrase that will save you so much confusion. I'm not a mind reader. Have you ever been in a situation where someone expected you to know what they were thinking without saying anything? It's frustrating, right? Let's break it down. A mind reader is someone who can magically know another person's thoughts, like a superhero for minds. But most of us aren't mind readers. When you say, I'm not a mind reader, you're saying, I don't know what you're thinking, or you need to tell me what you want or what's wrong. Or, I can't guess your thoughts. Now, let's see some examples. Scenario 1, the silent treatment. Mark asks Anna, Hey Anna, what's wrong? You seem upset. Anna sighs, Nothing, but looks upset. Mark replies, Anna, please tell me what's bothering you. I'm not a mind reader. Scenario 2, the unspoken expectation. Lisa's boss, Mr. Smith, hints about an early report, but never asks directly. When he says, I was hoping it'd be done by now, Lisa replies, Oh, I didn't realize. I'm not a mind reader. Next time, let me know the exact day you need it. Scenario 3, at a restaurant. Chloe asks Sam, Do you want dessert? Sam hesitates, staring at the menu. Chloe laughs. You have to tell me. I'm not a mind reader. Should I call the waiter? So, I'm not a mind reader is great for asking someone to communicate more clearly. Your homework? Notice situations this week where you could use this phrase. You don't have to say it out loud, but think about it to practice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Got questions or examples? Drop them in the comments. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, clear communication is key. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.